Arthur, weird one. My friend's startup runs on Google Cloud.
I thought Google was a search engine. Since when do they rent computers?
Since they had to build the most ridiculous computer network on Earth just to run. Google.
Meaning what?
Search answers you in milliseconds. YouTube streams to billions. Gmail never loses an email. Somebody's computers are doing all that.
And they rent those out?
The same infrastructure. That's Google Cloud Platform, GCP. Today, what it is, and how our 5 ideas map works there.
Okay, so give me the origin story. AWS was the bookstore renting its computers?
Google's version started in 2008 with App Engine. Give us your code, we'll run it. Don't worry about servers.
That sounds like Lambda before Lambda.
Google's always been a little ahead like that. Over time, it grew into a full platform. Today, 43 regions and 130 zones worldwide.
So when I use GCP, I'm literally on YouTube's hardware?
The same data centers, the same private fiber network Google built for itself. That network is kind of their superpower.
All right, the map. 5 aisles. Does it work here?
The map works everywhere. That's why we drew it. Watch. Same aisles, new name tags.
Compute? Here it's Compute Engine for rented machines, Cloud Run, and Cloud Functions for serverless.
Storage, let me guess. A bucket with a Google logo.
Cloud storage, literally buckets. Same idea as S3.
Databases, Cloud SQL for classic tables, Firestore and Bigtable for scale.
Networking?
VPC and Cloud CDN, riding that private Google Fiber. And security is Cloud IAM. Same job, same name, even.
So learning the second cloud is just rereading name tags.
That's the secret nobody tells beginners. Learn the ideas once, rent them anywhere. Which is exactly this channel's whole plan. AWS Mondays, Google Cloud Wednesdays, Azure Fridays, Kubernetes, and DevOps in between. If that map sounds useful, follow along.
The name tags change, the stick figures don't. Real question though, if it's the same 5 ideas, why would anyone pick Google over AWS?
3 honest reasons. 1. That network, your traffic rides Google's private fiber instead of the public internet, which can mean fast and stable. 2. Data and AI. BigQuery and their machine learning tools are a big reason companies show up.
The YouTube recommendation algorithm energy?
That heritage, yes. And 3, pricing style. Discounts kick in automatically the longer you run things. Less coupon hunting.
And the honest downside?
Smaller than AWS, fewer services, fewer people to hire who know it. Third place is real, but third place among giants is still a giant.
So it's not which cloud is best. It's which trade-offs fit my app.
You keep saying smarter things every episode. All right, Lucius, what is Google Cloud?
GCP is Google renting out the same machines and network that runs Search, YouTube, and Gmail. Same 5 ideas as every cloud: compute, storage, databases, networking, security, just new name tags. Strong network, strong data and AI tools, discounts that apply themselves.
Nailed it. Next Wednesday, Compute Engine, renting Google's computers and how it compares to EC2.
Same aisle, different store. See you there.